do not go there. Elay!
And of course, our city officials and our Santo ang Panguluson members, of course, na pinangungunahan ni Honorable Vice Mayor Ray Carlos Parreñas.
Together with our Samuyang Panguluson members, Honorable J.P. Bakiran, Honorable Jeff Parreñas, Honorable John Michael Parreñas, Honorable Juan Conrado Vespucio II, Honorable Kiko Ang, Honorable Donald Nicolas, Honorable Jason Bader Pereira, Honorable Justin Clarence Chua, Honorable Peter Lau, Honorable Edison Chua, and of course, our PPSK President of the whole city, Honorable Michael Christoph R. Agustin. Kasama rin natin, ladies and gentlemen, the President of Liga ng mga Barangay, Honorable R.B. Ablan.
Alright, more to the ladies and gentlemen. Sabay-sabay po natin palampakan ang float coming from our city officials. And nandito din, ladies and gentlemen, our Sunshine City mascot. Ayan, kaway-kaway naman. Our city, Sunshine City mascot, ang ating mga kalawagenyos. Hey!
Ladies and gentlemen, the streamer of our Grand Float Parade. Bigyan po natin ng mga sigabong palakpakan from the Boy Scout of the Philippines, Lumon City. Ladies and gentlemen, ikatay naman ang pagkinabarang sisipan from the Gabandon Elementary School.
And by Mr. George Alonso, nagiging ako pa sumarang di kagayang pinakapsata. Nagiging ako, eskwela ko, Itinawag City.
Once again, ladies and gentlemen, Gabandon Elementary School. And now, ladies and gentlemen, the streamer of the Small Float.
And nasimulan na natin, mga kaibigan, ito na, pasungatan tayo kagayang pinakapsata. Nagitiya, mga kalahok natin for the small float category. Float number 1, ito pasungatan tayo kagayang pinakapsata, kay Cervico. With a store manager, Mami Anbacha. Abuluyan. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, our float number 2, Angel Link.